My video guide will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the site News-heboca.cc. This particular website displays a lot of fake alerts that try to encourage people into subscribing to the multiple ads that will be displayed as push notifications. You should stay away from clicking on the Allow button. The website, however, indicates that you need to click on Allow to watch the video. But clicking on Allow is a mistake. In this case, your browser may be hijacked and infected. On one hand, you may be brought to some other deceptive sites. Also, on the other hand, you may start getting the great portion of advertisements that will be shown randomly in the right part of your screen. And some of these ads may be multiple and extremely filthy. So what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button? Go to the menu of your troubled browser, click on Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings. Now go to Permissions and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. In case you find any of these malicious sites, you need to get rid of them from the list. So this should actually fix your browser manually. I recommend you to additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start carefully investigating your device in order to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden threats which could remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.